Hi, I'm Frank. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest and probably the most neglected service item you can perform on your Mercedes-Benz GLE or ML. And that is replacing the cabin air filters. The only thing you really need is your hands and the filters. No tools are required. It's a really easy and simple task. A lot of people neglect that because it's just not on your mind. In service, you think about oil changes and air filter for the car, tires, that sort of thing. But cabin air filters are often the most neglected. So I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filters. Takes less than 10 minutes and is something that anybody can do, no tools. I'll provide a link to the parts that you can get off of Amazon, and we'll get started. The Mercedes takes 3 cabin air filters, so all of them are in the same place, easy to get to. The first one is a larger one. I'm using a man filter that I can get off of Amazon. The second are 2 small filters that I'll also get off Amazon. I'm using the Fram. So I'll show you where they are. When you open the hood of your car, look on the right side. This is the air inlet for the cabin. So I'm just going to grab up underneath here and just pull this up and out. Simple as that. Now that gives me access to the air intake vent. There is a clip here. 1, 2, and right back here is 3. So once that's done, then this just lifts out, and that gives you access to your first filter. You can just go ahead and grab it and pull it out. And here are the 2 other filters right in here. So you just reach in, pull it up and out. The second one slides over. And again, pull it up and out. Now you have all of your filters out and ready to replace them. Be sure to look to see for the arrow that says airflow and the direction. So this is going to go that way because the airflow is coming from here, there, and then down. So you'll put this in, starting with the side closest to the middle, and then slide it all the way over. You're going to take your second one and look to for direction of airflow. I'm going to turn it upside down. And again, I'm going to put it in here. Until it's all the way down. And so there we have it. Both those filters are in place. Now we're going to put this larger filter in. Again, we're going to look to see airflow direction. That's the direction that the airflow is going. So basically just replace the filter here. All right, the new filter is in. We're going to put this back. Notice that at the bottom there are these 2 clips that will line up with those holes down there. Once that's into place, go ahead and do your 3 clips here again. Now you're ready to put the top back on. When you put this piece back in, note that there are these 3 spots have these tabs. Put the tabs in. As you rotate this down, you'll have to pull this back because this lip goes underneath the this rubber trim. So have the back in, and then this will bend a little bit to enable you to get this tab underneath the rubber. All right, my tab is underneath. Everything is set. Cabin air filter's done. Simple as that. As you can see, replacing your cabin air filters is an easy task to do, requiring no tools, minimal effort, and can be done really by anyone at home in just a very, very short period of time. Keeping your air nice and fresh inside the car is something that I personally enjoy, and have at it. No sense in paying a dealer to do what you can do yourself.